What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing a wash and go, and I am going to be using some oldies but goodies. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie as my leave-in, which is already in my hair, and then I'm going to top it with the Eco Argan Oil Gel. I used to use these back in the day. Thought I'd pull them out again because I need to get this smoothie used up. So yeah, we're going to be using it today. This is a styling cream. That's what it's supposed to be used for braid outs, twist outs, and to style a wash and go. I don't use it on its own. I don't think that it's strong enough for my hair on its own, but I definitely like it under a gel. So that's what we're doing today. So yeah, I went on and put the smoothie in my hair, and you can see it on top. It's a little bit thicker. I'll show you the consistency if you're not familiar with this product, but I think most of you might be. So it is a cream or a smoothie, I should say, but it spreads out nice, but it is white, so you are going to see it on top of the hair a little bit. And now this stuff is usually moisturizing. I've never used it by itself under a gel. I usually will have a leave-in from this line and then put the smoothie on top and then use the gel. But today I'm doing something different. Since I was able to use a previous style cream without having a leave-in, I thought I would try this too and just see how it works, and I can let y'all know, no, you need a leave-in, or this will work well without a leave-in. So there you go. So I'm going to go ahead and just start applying the gel to my hair so my hair stays pretty wet, and then I'm gonna break into this Argan Oil Eco. This Eco, when I first went natural, I used the green olive oil, which y'all know I like, and y'all have seen me use it before. And then I branched out and started using the Argan oil and really liked it as well, so I would go between the two. And then I ended up using the pink, which was a little bit lighter hold, and I really liked that because I was getting into not wanting as much crunch. And then I found the blue, and y'all know blue was my all-time favorite, but they discontinued it. Not the sport, the other blue one. So I think the sport blue one is still out, but that's not the one I used to use. I used to use the other blue one. It's discontinued because it was a nice, softer hold. So I'm gonna just go ahead and revisit this Argan Oil one again. I hadn't used it in years, so I just wanna see how it works compared to the green one. So yeah. So you see what I'm doing. I'm just applying it to my hair like I always do. Rubbing it on, then raking it through. I will say initially this smoothie does not feel really good as a leave-in by itself because it's so thick. So it doesn't have that glide. I feel like I'm getting a little bit resistance. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it works. So you guys see what I'm doing. I'm gonna just go ahead and keep applying it to my hair and you can watch.
I have walked through the darkest valley. I was lost, couldn't find my way. But then I heard him from within, he who died for my sins. He spoke my name, then I saw his face. Yes, I've seen his eternal glory. I felt his hand when I was astray. I never knew until then what his love truly meant. I was lost, but now I'm found by his grace. By his grace, by his grace, I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. By his grace, by his grace, I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. He is He's always there through hope and despair. And when I'm lost, I'm always found by His grace. By His grace, by His grace. I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. By His grace, by His grace. I've been saved by the grace of my Lord. He will never let me down.
All right, guys, I'm back and the product is all applied. I feel like I got a lot of white around my container. I feel like I used quite a bit of gel. This is a, what size is this? 16 ounces. And I used a little less than half. So maybe I used about 6 ounces of this gel. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I felt like I needed it because I felt like the smoothie was so thick that I needed as much gel as I use to define my curls and lock them in. So we'll see. I haven't used Eco and Shea Moisture in a long time. So I forgot how thick it was, but again, I used to use a leave-in under it, so I didn't use as much of the Shea Moisture. I used the leave-in, then just a little bit of the smoothie as a moisturizer, and then this. And because I didn't have that leave-in on, I felt like I had to use more smoothie. So I am hoping it doesn't flake. I'm hoping that all this white soaks in, and I feel like I am getting, you know, some frizz and stuff too, which could be because I didn't really use any water to re-wet my hair or whatever. But anyway, we're gonna see. So I got it in, and this is what it's looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer right now so I don't frizz out any more than I already am, and I'll be back and we'll talk about this combo, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is my hair. I did stretch it just a little bit, but it is it's very soft. It is very soft. So the curl enhancing smoothie does definitely soften up the Eco gel. I had a little bit more shine to it before I stretched it, but you know, I'm okay with how it looks. The curls are soft. I don't know if you can tell or not, but you can see a little bit of frizz in between the curls. I'm okay with that. So yeah, it doesn't necessarily look like first day hair, which I'm okay with as well, but it's definitely defined in places that didn't get, you know, as much stretch. So if you don't stretch your hair, you will have a little bit of a hold to the hair. No cast, but you will have, no crunch, but you will have a little bit of a hold to it. But when I stretched it, that broke. Not only that, I think it's frizzing out too because it's really humid here today. It is actually getting ready to rain, and it's going to rain this evening. So we're going to see how this hair holds up because I got to go out for two different things, two different engagements or whatever today. One at 4, one at 6. And I'm going to definitely be out in the rain. So we're going to see what this hair does. All in all, I like the combination. I definitely like the feel of my hair as far as the softness and no crunch. And I like the price point of this gel as far as the other, just like the other Ecos or the wet line. So if you want more affordable type gels that give you hold and things like that, but you don't want the crunch, just pair them with something a little bit thicker, some type of thick cream underneath it, and it should take care of that. Or if you like the crunch, then just go ahead and use your regular leave-in or whatever, and you'll definitely get more definition and more hold and a little bit of crunch from these gels. But I just wanted to revisit them. I haven't used the Ecos in a while, brought it back, enjoyed the green one when I used it. Then just recently I used the wet line with the blue cap with the Texture ID. I enjoyed that wash and go as well. So I just thought that I would bring back some more oldies but goodies. I want to kind of start going back to some of the things that you can find on the ground and just revisit and see, you know, if I still like them, and show you guys how they work on my hair, and then maybe you can decide whether or not they'll work on yours. But anyway, this is the wash and go. I like it. It's soft, it's fluffy, it's touchable, it's moisturized. So yeah, I'll leave a blurb here to let you know how long it lasted and things like that. And that's it, guys, for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.